Hi guys, and this is a new video about the TikTok application. So right now we will show you how to remove followers on TikTok. So let's go to the TikTok app, and as I said, yes, today we will show you how to remove followers. So go to this section, which is the second one on the list, on the top menu. Later, let's choose one of the followers you want to remove to disable and tap on the three dots opposite it. I will choose the first one, and later, as I said, we need to pick on the three dots. Repeat, please. Yes, and right now we have this special option to remove this follower. So let's tap on this feature one time and repeat your choice after tapping on the remove. As you can see, this follower was successfully disabled from the list, removed from the list, and the next option to remove the selected follower is to go to his account after tapping on the follower's name. Later, you need to tap on the three dots icon again. And as you can see here, we have the special option to remove this follower. Let's tap on it one time and repeat your choice as before after clicking on the remove option. So right now this follower is not your follower. Let's check it. After going to the list, let's refresh it, and well done. So from now on, you know how to manage your followers list successfully and without any troubles. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to our HardReset.Info channels on YouTube and on TikTok to find out even more cool fun tricks. Goodbye. Bye bye bye.